Hey guys, welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. So today we are doing a little bit of rust repair on our 48 here. I'll let you explain. Take over.
Just the bottom of the skirt mount is pulled away from the main part of the body. The bottom part of the fender is rotted out, but we're not going to do any type of panel replacements. This is just going to be a daily driver. So just making sure that the bracket for the skirt is secure. I put a little bracket on it, welded a bracket to it, and then welded it to the main part of the body. And we'll show you the other side how it came out. Came out great.
Yeah. So like I said, we're not into like major, like I said, I want to keep this car as original as possible. So we're not into like major body repairs or anything like that. So I'm just going to do like a little bit of rust treatment on it to stop it. There's hardly anything down here. It is a New York car, so that's why. But as being a New York car, it's very clean everywhere else. So I'll show you guys the other side real quick. So here's one of our skirts. As you can tell, they're not perfect, but again, this is original paint on this car, and my biggest deal is I just want to preserve it. So, our fender skirt hooks there that hook on are still good. The rubber is still good on the back. So this is the other side that he did. And as I said, we're just going to put some rust treatment stuff on it to stop it, but all new bracketry to hold everything. All of this up in here, as you can see, is super solid. It's just the very bottom part here, there that you can see. Like I said, New York car, so it's not surprising. But everything else, if you guys refer back to past videos on this car, super solid underneath. It was always garage kept, which is good. So anyway, just a little update on what we're doing today, and I will show you guys the finished product.
To weld a new bracket. This fender skirt bracket, you have to cut the heads off because the bolts are shot. So we're just welding a bracket onto that to attach to the main part of the body where it used to be. Nothing fancy, just kind of a simple fix.
Just to make it work and preserve originality, because like I said, we are not painting this car. We are not doing anything. The paint is too nice. Like I said, just going to treat it with some rust stop stuff. I use Pour 15. That's what I like. Terrible smell to the stuff, but works amazing. Seals off the rust and stops it. So like I said, obviously you're only dealing with the rust in the fender skirt area here, nowhere else. So all that's cut back to fresh and good. All that junk out of there. And then this one in the back is still just fine. But yeah, do what you can do to preserve originality.
Okay, so we got the old fender piece where it used to attach with that bolt. This is the seams where the inner body comes together with this outer panel, and it's all crimped and welded here, spot welded. And so that's a good solid metal still, so we're just going to put a welded bracket onto that, so that will go back over to there where it's supposed to be, and about that position. So we'll just put an extension on it and we'll weld it to the main part of the body.
The part that's still good and solid.
Yep. Here's our skirt bracket that we're going to weld an extension on the back so we can attach it to the main part of the body.
All nice and cleaned up and hot from being ground on. All right, what are we doing now? So this is the extension of metal that he's making. He's going to weld those two together and then weld it onto the car, and the bracket's going to attach to that. So this just replaces that bad rusty metal. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in and watching the video and always watching my channel and what we do. Today was obviously all work by my dad. I haven't learned how to weld yet. I want to, but I need to get around to learning that because I would absolutely love to have the talent that he has. So anyway, we got our fender skirts back on the 48 here. I'll take a finished picture in the end. It looks so much better. Like I said, I'm sure I'm going to get a lot of flack on this video about how, well, you should have replaced the whole body panel, things like that. Technically true, but again, this car is about preservation, not restoration, because it is such a nice original. I just want to treat the rust, stop it, and then just tack in the pieces that need fixing, which he has done today, and we have fender skirts back on it. So that was really all it was about. I'll do a detailed video some other time when we get more into the mechanics of this car, of the underneath. You guys can refer back to some of my other videos. I'll put a link in the end to when we drop the gas tank out, and you can see how clean it is underneath. This car did come from New York, so I am surprised at how clean it is, because obviously it's all about, the road salt back there and things like that for the snow purposes, but it was kept in a garage all of its life, so I'm pretty sure that saved it. And plus, things were just built so much better back then. So anyway, that's the end of our story for today. I hope you guys will join us on the next Cadillac adventure. Have a very blessed day, everybody. Take care.